Dear friends, it is my privilege to welcome you all, resource persons, scholars, well-wishers, dear fellow participants and stakeholders, that you have contributed a lot to organize this interdisciplinary international seminar. So, I again welcome you all on behalf of Mandesh Mahavidyalaya Zononi and Padma Bhushan Krantiveer Nagananda Naikodi Kala Mahavidyalaya Zare, Taluka Atpade district Sangli, because both these colleges have organized this seminar in collaboration. The main thing for this seminar is sustainable development and environmental issues. To think this topic and exchange the ideas of experts, thinkers and scholars, it is the need of present time. Actually, sustainable development is very comprehensive and self-explanatory concept, stating its important. Since the explosion of knowledge and development of the technology, in view of economic development, man is exploiting the natural resources very voraciously. In fact, nature has everything to meet the every need of mankind, but nature has not enough resources to meet the greed of human beings. Neglecting this fact, man is exploiting the natural resources very voraciously and making its use improperly. That has caused to degradation of environment and loss of resources. This situation has compelled to researchers, fellow scholars, experts, and social environmental scientists to create the awareness among the society about the conservation of resource. Regarding this problem, various international NGOs, institutions have organized several summits in UK, USA, Australia, and across the world. They have defined the concept of sustainable development, and they have designed several programs to save the nature and protect the ability of survival of future generation. Of course, various dimensions and various dimensions of sustainable development and environmental issues will be discussed and focused by the resource person, and they will guide the valuable guidance benefitable to you. For this seminar, we have selected specific objectives. While organizing this seminar, we have some specific objectives have been taken into consideration. Number one, to create the awareness among the teachers, students about the sustainable development and conservation of environment. Next one, to promote the new coming research students to write the research papers. Third one is to develop the rational attitude among the students and experts, to develop the rational attitude among the society about the study of nature and its use. For considering this our theme, to have the valuable guidance and discussion, we have invited very knowledgeable resource persons as following. Number one is Dr. Praveen Saptarshi. He is a professor emeritus professor working in the Indian Institute of Cost Management and Research. He has a very good sense of and good experience of field work. He is activist and social worker, and he has also good very sense of humor. I always appreciate him. Our next resource person is Dr. B. Shivaidya. He is a professor in geography, but at present he is working in the department of CPEDO, Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi. He is a knowledgeable person, and once upon a time he was nominated for the post of VC. Our next resource person is Dr. Ashok Hanjgi. He is a professor in geography and working in the department of geography, Bangalore University, Karnataka. Our next resource person is Dr. S.D. Shinde. He is our friend and a professor in geography, as well as he is a chairman of Board of Studies in Geography, working in the Department of Geography, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. He has very good expertise of remote sensing and resource planning. Also, he has a very rational style of resource studies. Our next resource person is Dr. K.T. Marnur. He is a professor in geography, and at present he has a very good expertise in remote sensing, GIS and geoinformatics. At present he is working in the Department of Water Planning and General Electricity Corporation and Water Management in Karama city, Qatar district. Our next resource person is Dr. Dhulup. He is assistant professor and head department of environmental science and School of Earth Science. Our next resource person is Dr. D.G. Gathade. He is my classmate and professor in geography, and he has very good and keen interest in micro level resource studies. Our next resource person is Dr. A.C. Adivitoti. He is a professor in geography as well as head of Department of Geography working in the Shebi Khedgis College, Akkalkot. He has good expertise in remote sensing and GIS, and he is a knowledgeable person, and he is known as a master of tourism geography. Last but not the least, Dr. A.H. Nanavare, who is our friend and professor in geography working in the Shivaji College, Barshi. He has very good expertise in research methodology and sampling design. So, with this introduction of resource person, I hope that you will have a very good guidance and valuable, and valuable guidance. At the end, I must have to mention the name of Santosh Mane, who has taken much efforts and he has played very crucial role in organizing this international seminar. At the end, I again welcome you all and also express my thanks for your overwhelming response. Thank you.